my YouTube family, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am trying acrylic dip for the very first time, and I'm using products that I bought go China Mall, go what's that place again, Bling Girl. So I'm gonna be doing a little bit of that and talking a little bit more about mindset. If that sounds like fun to you, stick around. Maybe you'll learn something, because guys, I learned something as well. Okay, so let us get right into this video, honeys. Okay, guys, so when I spoke to the ladies about Bling Gel, apparently I can do acrylic dip with that acrylic, this acrylic dipping. Apparently it's for acrylic and dipping. And they said I must just buy glue as well. Yeah, so I think this was 35 Rand and this was 15 Rand. And then soft tip nails for, I think I also spent like 35 Rand or 40 Rand, I don't remember. But apparently these three things will get me nails that look like Kenze acrylic. So because I like things, we are gonna try it. So I've already prepped my nail and I put on a sticky bond here on my nails here to remove all the oils. So we're not going to show that because that's not the point of the video. We want to try this thing together for the first time. Oh, 25 Rand, by the way. Do you see the price there? So let us get rolling. And while I'm doing these nails, I'm going to be talking to you guys about mindset, which, if you are on a journey to glow up and level up your life and improve, is a very critical part of your journey. So I want to talk about having the right mindset while you're trying to level up, and more specifically about the growth mindset versus having a mindset of a limiting beliefs mindset. So yeah, this actually comes from a book by a lady called Carol Dweck, where she talks about mindset and she dives deep into this. These nails are so soft. She dives deep into this and then she explains the difference between the two mindsets, where a growth mindset is based on the belief that your talents and your abilities are not fixed, you know? So you don't view your talents and abilities as something that is fixed, but you rather view it as, if you try, you can improve. Life is about improvement instead of just having this thing where you are who you are, you can do what you can do, and that will never change. So that becomes very important in your journey of self-development, because if you have that type of mindset where you feel like, I am who I am and my talents are what they are and they will never change, you will never be able to get to a space of self-improvement and growth. We need to develop a mindset of being able to say, you know what, I might not be able to do it now, but with deliberate practice and just keeping on and trying, I will be able to do it. Emanyana. So just like me today, you know, I'm gonna try doing these nails for the first time, and if I fail, I fail, but that does not mean I am a failure. It just means I need to keep trying. Let me tell you something, guys. I now consider myself a fashion designer, and how I learned fashion design, or even sewing, I learned to sew on YouTube, okay? And the things I can do now are amazing. But when I first started, when I started sewing, I could not even sew a straight line. I remember after I got my machine, I was in tears because I couldn't sew a straight line. And then I'm gonna glue them together. You know, I've never had to glue nails, ne? So I've only seen my nail tech do it. So my nail tech is probably watching this video thinking, this child wa papa, why usadla ka tloira manala pila wena boipotso ra ntho yo pallang mara nna ke le boditse vele, and I'm gonna say it over and over again. Now na ntho pallang mo phelong ke hana. And then that comes from the mindset that you have, right? Having a limiting my belief mindset will tell me, I'm not talented, I can do certain things and I can't do that, and I'll never be able to do that. It's almost like a limiting belief mindset. It's either you are born with a gift, or it's either you are born with a gift or you just don't have it. So yeah, I don't want like amang. No, we are starting off strange. Bona ikromo bjang bathong tleng thuseng, guys. Mara are plaka amang re bone gore go frofelela kaine, and then we will see. So I'm just gonna go and attach the others, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, so because the devil works overtime, right? I did this first nail. I dipped it, and for some reason that did not record because of, as I'm saying, the devil works overtime. So I'm going to show you with this nail, but it works, guys. It works, and it's exciting me. So I'll quickly show you with this nail. But what I did was I first started more where the fake nail and the natural nail meet. I first started filling that in first, and then mugele got deep. I want to go high, got deeper, and then I waited a bit, and then I just tap, got hua. And this thing works. At first, it seems like nothing is happening, but as I'm doing it, I realized that actually something is happening here. Like the combos are communicating, and that's literally it. It's literally it. Kadiba, ka emanyana ngona ko high, and tap off. And I like this nail. I like this so much. If this thing is durable, I'm going to do it all the time for myself. And you can see I'm using this pink, I almost put that in there. I'm using this pink acrylic dip from Bling Girl as well. So all the products I'm using, I got them at Bling Girl, go China Mall. But can I tell you, those ladies were so rude. I almost didn't buy anything. I was so irritated by how rude they were. But I was like, girl, you're trying something new here. And you know what? Just keep going. So yes, I will tell you the growth mindset has been pivotal in a lot of successes that I have come to. Okay, I did chemical engineering at school, but I'm now in the HR space, or I would say HR, but support HR. And I even also worked in the procurement space before HR, and that has nothing to do with engineering. And the reason I was able to do well in those spaces, I'll say it's the growth mindset, because I never thought, because I haven't done HR in my life, that means I'm not good at it, or I didn't do it in varsity, that means I'm not good at it. I knew I had value to add because I knew I had certain skills like problem solving skills, analytical skills, and those are generally skills you need in the workplace. So having that mindset of saying that my abilities are not fixed, but rather I can learn new things. I'm talking too much. Let me just show you the snail real quick. Okay. But do you see what I mean? Like, this thing is just like working, okay? And take that apex. I think it's called an apex. The shape of the nail, It's just like, it's doing the things it needs to be doing. So, yeah. Let me just quickly do that. I'm almost done. I think I'm going to do one more coat after this one, and then I will be I'll be satisfied. And I'll do the other nails. Who would have thought? I hope these things last, hey? Busy, cute in meetings. I talk with my hands, so trying to coach people. They're going, yeah, so essentially what we need to do is develop more problem-solving initiatives. They wake up, yo, Shem, I'll be so embarrassed. But it is what it is, right? But o kare ka bona ke le ko mmolong nyana, or ke iphetela somewhere, or ke le busy ka something, somebody ever check, are yo manala how apila yang, where did you do that? And then I'm like, girl, watch my video, e re ko feding to my video ko bontsha gore di teng e simple. O kare ka bona, o kare ka imagine, wait, nkare ka imagine, Sham. Rabakena ka deep, babes. Rabakena ka deep in Dombo. So, I mean, it's not salon perfect. I won't lie, ne? It's not like salon grade acrylic. Mara. I jumpis, Sham. I jumpis. Fuck all. Ya kopana, ya tlhakana, So I'm using this Bling Girl buff as well to just buff the nail out. And I don't know what I'm doing. So please, if something is wrong, you said you should have used this first, please just tell me. In coaching today. But that's the nail, guys. That's literally the nail. That's dipping, okay? Go deep, I'm gonna go high. Bona, This is so cute. I'm so excited to actually do my own nails and have them turn out like this. So I'm going to do the other ones off camera and then I'll come back. I am done with all of my nails. I love them, but I'm not excited about the color, the pink color. I've decided I'm gonna put on some gel, and I've got two choices today. I either am gonna use this one that I bought from Bling Gel. It's a very beautiful olive green. Look at how gorgeous that is. Or I'm gonna use this purple, which is a very cute lavender. So my heart is gravitating towards this purple, and that's what I'm going to use. And I also got a new nail lamp because my nail lamp was problematic, so I got a new lamp at Bling Gel as well, and I got this for like $130. So we're actually going to even get a chance to try out this lamp and see if it works. So yeah. I get a worried so how not to some balling and I don't know to take out by like. So yes guys, you saw the looking cute, I'm looking fly, so this is how I'm gonna talk to everybody now. But anyway, thank you so much for showing up with me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something about nails and mindset. So anyway, I will see you on the next one, honeys. But in the meantime, remember to live your happy, healthy, wealthy life. Okay, bye. Buona fela, buona che adesso